Okay, Candy Grando GOF462, and we were looking at the output filter and it was stuck and there was a bit of a confusion. There's the cap with those, and you would have thought that that would lock together. Yeah, where are we? There, locked together, but it's not the case. Okay, as you can see, this one is quite battered, but there is a raised piece there and another one the other side, and let's go and see how that fits. Effectively, this does not screw in, even though it looks like it does. So there's a thread there and a gap, and then a thread there, and that fits in between those gaps and pushes in like that. Okay, so when you come to see it, if that cap comes off without this coming out, then all that happens is it pulls outwards. So there could be a lot of muck holding it in, but there's no need to spin it, it just pulls straight out. Okay, this is a reminder for me rather than anything else. But when you come across that, or we're on wobbly cam, then you'll think, how on earth does this come out? Which is probably why that damage was there. Yeah, but it pulls straight out. So do this frequently and then you won't have so much hassle. And there you go. Turn it backwards before you start it. There we go. Nice and tight. Not too tight. Yeah. So turn it backwards before you start the threads, or else you'll end up cross-threading it. Right, comment. Cheers for now.